Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your source file and the variable plan. This saves horrors later. Open SPSS, then choose File Open or Import Data for CSV/Excel. Pick the right sheet. When prompted, set variable types: numeric, string, date, set widths and decimals. Once done, create or load a codebook so you know which values represent missing data and categorical labels. These first actions prevent type mismatches and keep your dataset analysis ready. You now import and inspect the dataset in Data View and Variable View. Look for truncated text or misplaced headers. If headers exist, check Read Variable Names during import, otherwise rename in Variable View. Convert strings to numbers using recode or automatic recode when values represent categories. Use transform compute variable to derive scales, z-scores, or composite scores. Then run frequencies and descriptives to spot outliers or impossible values. To finish, save your work as an SPSS. Save file so labels and formats persist. Export a cleaned CSV if you need to share. You should replicate every change in syntax. This makes your workflow reproducible. Run a final set of frequencies and crosstabs to confirm data integrity. If things go wrong, check variable types, delimiter settings from the import, and locale differences for decimal separators. These are the usual culprits, and easy to correct once identified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.